Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with a very beautiful, elegant and stylish video of woodland embroidery designs. Guys, this video is in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing a very creative, eye-catchy and beautiful designs of hand embroidery that are specifically based on borderline embroidery. This video is unique in itself because the borderline embroidery patterns which are being shared to you are some sort of heavy borderline embroidery design that would be exquisitely used for your formal dresses. So with these heavy borderline embroidery designs, you can make your formal dresses more creative and eye-catchy. And the scope is not only limited to this, you can also make these very beautiful heavy borderline embroidery patterns for designing your sari pallus, and the borders of your frock, kalidar suits, the border of your sharara, trouser, flared bell bottom sleeves, flared bell bottom trousers, or different type of stylized patterns as per your own choices. But before going into the further details, I want to request you that if you really like my design ideas, my content, and my view of sharing ideas with you, then please don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and family members so that we can get more likes and subscribes. And keep supporting us, keep loving us. And in the comment section, if you have any query, put the comment over there so that we can get to know what you want us to share with you. And stay tuned for more and new upcoming beautiful and creative content onto my channel. The most creative patterns of embroidery could also be used for designing your hand towels, your tablecloths, and different type of DIY home decor items as well. I hope that I have tried my level best to convey my ideas and share the beauty and creativity of these design patterns along with their usage as well. So if you really like the patterns and design ideas of my today's video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family members. So if you have already subscribed, then subscribe from as many as other devices so that we can grow remarkably. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, be happy, stay blessed.